So they're going to disguise their voices, and I'm going to pick which one I think they are. And they're going to jump up and say,
Number 1 is gonna go.
number 1, here we go. Bristol.
No, it was Hayden.
Ah!
Number 2 is gonna go.
Okay.
Hi.
Bristol.
Yay!
Yeah, I got one.
Alright, y'all gotta stand up as soon as you go. Hi.
That's Granger.
We messed up. We messed up, Mom.
That's okay, go again.
The third person's gonna go. Hi.
Hayden.
No! It was me!
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, Sailor, you guys got me. Do the deep voice.
I'll do the deep voice. Who's that?
Granger.
No, it was
Hayden!
Okay, ready? The third person's gonna go.
Sailor.
Yeah!
Oh! Whoop, whoop, whoop. That was just a guess. Bristol.
No!
Granger! Hayden. Was that Hayden?
No, it was Bristol.
Oh, you got me again. The dog apparently is interrupting progress.
Who was it?
Bristol.
It was Georgia.
Oh. All right, give me 2 more to end the video here. Bristol. Georgia. Georgia's interrupting me. Oh.